Here's what you'll need for my chicken tikka. Some chicken breast, obviously. Some natural yogurt, milk. I put a bit of red colour in and get that red colour that everyone loves, but that's optional, leave it out if you don't want it. Some vegetable oil, mango chutney, a bit of fresh mint. If you haven't got fresh mint, just use some mint sauce. Some fresh ginger, garlic, lime, or you can use lemon. And the spices, you can have some curry powder, coriander, chilli, cumin, and some salt and pepper. I use lemon pepper, but don't worry if you haven't got that, just use normal cracked black pepper. First thing I do, which is a bit of a pain, but it does enhance the taste of your chicken. So get a fork, and before you cut it into chunks, just do that with all the breast. What that helps, it helps the marinade sauce get inside of the chicken as well as on the outside. Once you've put holes all over your chicken, it's time to cut off any bits that you don't fancy, like that. And then you're going to cut your chicken into chunks, not too small. You want to get a nice meaty bite when you're eating them. When you've cut your chicken up into a bowl, you're going with your mango chutney, ginger, garlic, mint, cumin, coriander, curry powder, chilli, salt and pepper. Once you've got them in there, it's time to squeeze your limes or lemons, depending what you're using. Then you're going in with your yogurt. A few teaspoons of that, give that a mix round. When you've mixed it, you'll see it's a tad thick, so you want to thin it down just a bit so that it's able to get into every crevice of the chicken. So just add a bit of milk just to thin it down a bit, and then to get the colour we all love on tikka, you're just going in with a bit of food colouring. Once that's in there, and you're going in with a couple of tablespoons of your vegetable oil. And last but certainly not least is your chicken chunks. Make sure that they are absolutely coated. Once they're all coated, it's time to cover them up and let them settle in for the night. Because you want to put that in the fridge, preferably overnight. When your chicken's been in the fridge overnight, it's time to fish them out. And you're going to put them in the oven on a grill for around 20 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees, depending on your oven and how it acts. When you bring it out the oven, hopefully it looks something like that, which is nice enough, but if you want to give it that authentic, where it has little burnt bits on it, then stick it under the grill for a minute or two, just to get that effect. When it's come off the grill, time to put it in a dish. And it's delicious to have as a starter, main meal, and especially with dips. Enjoy.